working with this shaker carrier, and it involves bending some very thin material around a base. And this is an oval carrier that is an original piece in the shaker community. And I've used shellac for a couple days on this after I applied some raw linseed oil. And now I'm just finishing it off with some dark wax, and I think that's done. I've applied the wax and it's dried, and I've wiped off the extra, and I like the look. It's the wax gives it a little more texture and leaves some dark places where dirt might collect, so it looks like it's been used a little bit and not a brand new carrier. So I hope to be able to use this to walk up the hill and pick tomatoes off my plants up there and bring them down safely.